Welcome to Adam Home Cooking. Today we are preparing strawberry ice cream, and these are the ingredients. I have my frozen strawberry here. You see, it's not the fresh one, I freeze it. It's a frozen strawberry and fresh milk. So all I'm going to do is, this has been washed already. So I'm just going to pour some fresh milk in here. Just a little bit of fresh milk, and then I'll add my frozen strawberry. I'll add 2 to start with. Make sure it's closed tight. You close it tight. So I can now add, because if you add too much milk at the start, you will not get the ice cream. So at this stage, I'm going to add all the remaining strawberry and a little bit of milk, a little bit more of milk, because I'm making ice cream. I'm not making a smoothie, so I want it in ice cream form. Just blend it in there. I'm going to check it again. Ooh, look at. So this is my strawberry ice cream. I still have a bit of the strawberry chunk in there, so I'm going to blend it for a few more seconds. So it's all done. This is the strawberry ice cream. Adam Home Cooking special. You might not get it like this if you don't freeze the strawberry. So even if you buy your fresh strawberry, just freeze it for a couple of hours and then you use it. So our strawberry ice cream is ready. Looking lovely. Enjoy.